Indeed, that's what happens. Wow. Let you guys see the back of it. You can see the little tabbies on here. Here and so on, and down here and over there, and here's the screw hole to screw the bolts back in. The other one should go on just as easily. Hopefully. Before we do that, I'm going to do something just for kicks. Got me a Sharpie marker here, and I noticed there's some space in here, right? Right in here. Now nobody's probably ever going to see this, right? But there's some spaces in here. So I'm going to clean that just a second. This is to rub it out a little bit there. Oops, shut the hood, of course. And right there in that open space that you can see, I'm going to put my name and the date. Nobody may ever see it, but they might. So let's just check it out. We're going to put Rob 2017. And then, I think over here in the middle, we're going to put the channel name. Huh? Kind of crazy, I know. But,
and then on the far corner over there, you could put Rob and Krista.
But why not, right?
Right.
Kind of corny, huh? But
yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do it right now. So, we're going to, right here, we're going to put ThrobbNation. Oops, I can't write in here very well. And then over here, we'll put...
Clean it.
Rob and Krista.
Yeah, my truck's starting to look pretty good now, isn't it?
So we'll put Rob and Krista. Okay. Again, pretty corny, I know, but take a look, see what you think. Just to show you, I did do that. See that? Rob 2017, ThrobbNation, and then over here we have Rob and Krista. Just a little thing. I've done that before when I've built rooms and stuff in the basement, whatever, on the studs or whatever. So pretty neat. And my battery's just about dead, so I'm going to stop the video before we put it back on and switch batteries. YouTube here, fresh batteried. So let's let me know what you think of my little writing in there. You ever do anything like that? Let's grab the new bulge and see if we can't get it on. Okay, here we go. Hopefully all fits well. Of course, am I putting it on the right way? I never know. Am I lined up properly? Never knows that either. Alright. Let's give it a push, see what happens. That side doesn't feel right. So, let's see what we got going on under here. That's better. Check it out. No, we're still not right over here. Not right over there. So, we're going to take it off because we have to. Try it again. This side looks perfect. You can't line it up without going crazy. side is not lining up properly, so. Why? Oh, it's good now. Yeah, got the oil on me. Grease, oil, whatever. All right, I think we're good. Let's take another look.
Is the top in?
Yeah. Yeah. All right. So there you have it. Now we got to put the screws back in. Make sure those are all seated in there properly. All looks good to me. The screw holes. Let's see. Are all lined up. So very good. Now we have 3. Remember, screws to put back in. I believe the front end color matching grill project.
The modifications on my truck are done. Thank you.
Done. I believe it's done. So let's shut the hood and take a look. All right, guys and gals. Let's take a look. This is the color matched, this grill thing, or tripod thing. This is the color matched front grill and bulge. What do you think?
Way better.
You think it looks good? Shot down the truck. I think the color matching came out pretty well. Looks to me like it's identical. And this, of course, was painted, the grill itself, the front part here. We have the honeycomb, which I love. This is even better than I thought. I actually had thought that I was going to get the other grill and it'd just be painted, you know. But when I saw this on Pedro's truck, I sent a picture, and this is indeed what they had planned on sending me all along, so perfect. Very nice. Wow. I really like it. Let me know what you guys think. It's step, I don't know what, of color matching the parts to the truck and getting rid of the chrome. I've got a couple more things that are coming. They haven't been delivered yet. Once they get here, we'll replace those. If you've watched any of the previous videos, you know what they are. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed. On a scale of 1 to 10, only because of the center sensor thing, I'd probably give this about a 4. And about 2 hours worth of time to do it, unless you're much quicker at that than me, maybe an hour and a half. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. As usual, please click subscribe if you haven't before. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.